Okay, what's up? So we're gonna try some new stuff. This is new to me. Just filling y'all in on what's going on. We're going to get some flush mounts mounted up on this old girl right here. We got these Viking bags installed last week. Had to wait on some parts because this stuff right here just won't fit. Looks pretty good though. He's been wanting bags for a while, so yeah, not too shabby. And then obviously this is new, so I got the camera mounted up, or the mount mounted. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Wardrobe changed a little bit. Just a little explanation here. Not that anybody really cares because I'm doing this for myself, but yeah, 2003 softail night train, fuel injected. 2008 Donna street bob. 96, 88, 6-speed and 5-speed. And then also, I've got Woods TW555 cams, Thunder Max, and yeah, HPI air cleaner. And then it's got Vance and Hyden short shots. Both bikes do. Not my favorite exhaust. Loud, way louder on this bike. Loud, and yeah, no, it was inexpensive because it was on the bike when I bought it. Professionals. Yeah, how weird does this feel? I always wonder how people do it. I'm like, I don't know. Stupid.
Bitch, I filled you up before I left. Don't you fucking play them games.
But it just never. I don't know if we'll be able to get those in there, but we gonna try. We're probably gonna have to drop both those bags.
The only thing that sucks is I think no matter how we do it, we're gonna have to leave that one bolt out. I don't know where it is, but one in.
Oh, the back one?
I seen what you were doing, so shut up.
Shit's spicy. I can't imagine why. Is it at least starting now? I was like, surely we can get that to go.
Be a little finagling, but I think we can do it.
Oh yeah, I think we got more than enough. Just enough to get it started and all that good stuff, and then yeah.
Plenty to tighten down.
Yeah. Maybe? Not too shabby. Turned out really good. Fits. I think they're way brighter than what we had, or what you had. You think so?
Make sure somebody starts as much as we've been fucking with it.
Hey,
You get the phone out.
oh, hang on. Okay. Yeah.
You're like nutsack, it's on me. Nutsack's not that big. I don't know, but still. Don't flip the bottle off. Why do you stay shit like that? I want to do it now. Well, don't. I don't want to fall down. Oh, fuck. You're going really fast. I feel like for me being back here.
Was it too fast for you?
When I'm not in control, I'm like,
Fucking no trust. None.